In today's busy world, finding time to shop together can be challenging. But with our new app, your family can shop together, no matter where they are. Simply add your family members in the app, and everyone gets access to the family shopping list. From the profile, click Family Account, choose Add Member, fill the necessary details, and you are done. No matter where you are, you can add items to the list in real time. Enjoy your purchases together, delivered right to your doorstep. Shopping together has never been easier. Download our app and start your family shopping journey today. Bacolod Express, available now on the App Store and Google Play, and we will soon be available on Huawei App Gallery.